Now here we are with another JavaScript framework in the already existing ocean of frameworks. So the bigger question is, why should you choose Next.js? Let me clearly tell you that it's not an independent entity. It's actually a React framework. And it's really surprising that why Next.js is in demand and booming in spite of React.js. To clearly get the idea, you'll certainly need to go through the entire tutorial, but still I'll mention a few points to begin with. The very first and important point is that React makes client-side applications, whereas Next.js makes full-stack applications. Yes, you heard it right. Next.js is a full-stack React framework. React does support server-side rendering of components, but Next.js is indeed on a next level. It can handle a full-fledged full-stack application operations like authentication, file and path-based routing, that is, no code needed for routes, dealing with data, styling and rendering, optimization, and much more. Next.js uses ReactJS but gives you tremendous features and functionalities to make site dynamic, but served as a static site which delivers the purpose of fast rendering, improves SEO compatibility at a great level.